Okay, guys, so we're back in Off-Road Outlaws again today. We're going to be working on the abandoned Chevy that we went and got about 2-3 videos ago. So, I'm going to be doing the wheels and stuff, the lift today on it. So, the travel was all the way down 1400 stiffness. And I don't know what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to go something like a 37. And then level it out with stiffness about that much, and then loose spring height all the way up. Shocks number 1 size 1.6s. I know it's kind of big, so but I mean it is. So I mean wanted to leave it like that. So yeah. Yeah, and we're going to do the wheels in the next video about this truck. And yeah, they are pretty small, but dampening about 2250 front and back. 2250 all the way around. So yeah, guys, that's the suspension on the abandoned Chevy. Yeah. So that's the end of this video. Okay, bye. See y'all guys in the next one.